this video, I'll show you how to archive databases pages in Notion to keep your workspace clean and organized. Start from your Notion homepage and locate the database you want to archive on the left-hand panel. Open that page, then click the three dots menu in the top right corner. From the options, select Move to Trash. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your page right away. It simply archives it in your trash folder. To restore a page, head to your trash section in the sidebar, find the page you need and click Restore. It will return to its original location. Keep in mind that items in trash are only stored for 30 days before being permanently deleted, so restore anything important before then. And that's it! You've successfully archived and restored pages in Notion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Notion tips.